Unfurnished 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo on IHB. Walk to beach, restaurant and shopping. 10 minutes to PAFB and Pineda. Call now to view. This one won't last long. Sliding doors leading to the outside balcony, where you can sit and sip your morning coffee. The heated pool and clubhouse, with on-site laundry facility, are in a charming tropical setting. The warm, Atlantic Ocean is right across the street with its beautiful parks and beaches. Restaurants, shopping and the Melbourne International Airport are minutes away.